Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so happy that you've joined me here. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to talk about my all-time favorite skincare ingredient, niacinamide. Niacinamide is one of the best skincare ingredients for literally every single skin type. It's worked so beautifully on my combination oily acne-prone skin. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through what exactly is niacinamide, what are the benefits of niacinamide, and how you can go about incorporating this in your skincare routine. Now, if you're watching me for the first time, then hi, my name's Preiti. I'm India's first cruelty-free beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free. I also talk about veganism, sustainability, shout out to local brands, and a lot more things. If this is the kind of content you resonate with, then please subscribe to my channel and continue watching today's video. Alright, so let's start with what exactly is niacinamide. Now, niacinamide forms naturally in the human body. You can also find this in mushrooms. You can find this in some vegetables in the form of niacin, and in skincare, it's called niacinamide. Now, the best part about niacinamide is that it's not very acidic in nature, which means you can layer it with multiple skincare products, multiple skincare ingredients, and it's also super stable, so it's not going to irritate your skin. It is truly one of the best skincare ingredients out there because it's so stable, it's so easy to layer in skincare routines. It's perfect for sensitive skin, it's perfect for compromised skin barrier, it is perfect for acne prone skin. I mean, this skincare ingredient is a must-have, and especially if you're new to skincare routines, I think this is an ingredient that you definitely need to start with. Now, let's talk about the benefits of niacinamide. Niacinamide has way too many benefits, you guys. This ingredient is truly a gem. It repairs your skin barrier and it also strengthens it. So with regular use of niacinamide, you'll notice that the texture of your skin improves quite a bit. I use niacinamide regularly and I have acne prone skin. It regulates the sebum production on my skin and it controls blemishes. So if you have combination oily acne prone skin, this is an ingredient that you definitely need to invest in. The best part about this is that it regulates the sebum production, right? So it's going to help minimize the appearance of pores. It's going to reduce skin texture. Now, of course, if you don't have that skin type, you have a normal skin type or sensitive skin type, you're looking at a brightening skincare routine, then this is an ingredient that will work really well for you. Now, in anti-aging routines, you'll notice that niacinamide is used quite a bit because it prevents the moisture loss from your skin, which is precisely how it reduces the texture on your skin and all of those fine lines, and it is perfect. It's perfect for literally every skin type, even for teenage skin. So if you are a teenager and you're breaking out or you just want to protect your barrier, brighten your complexion, niacinamide is going to work really well for you. Teenage skin is prone to a lot of acne. It has excessive sebum production because of all of the hormones. You know, your puberty hormones are kicking in. In this case, topical treatments that include niacinamide will work wonders for you because it's going to regulate all of that sebum production. Now that we know what exactly is niacinamide, what are the benefits of niacinamide, let's talk about how to incorporate this in your skincare routine. If you're a beginner to niacinamide, then use less than 5% in your skincare routine. You don't want to irritate your skin, especially when you've never ever introduced this ingredient to your skin before. Now, this toner right here, the rice water and niacinamide toner from Plum, is my absolute favorite. It's got 3% niacinamide, super beginner friendly. It's fragrance free, so it's perfect even for compromised skin barrier. It's great even if you have super sensitive skin or if you're allergic to fragrances. This is my holy grail. You guys must have heard me speak so much about this. I go on and on about this on Instagram, on YouTube. I love this so much. It is so hydrating. It's a 3% niacinamide, so you can even layer some more niacinamide, like another 3 or 5% in a serum, but this is perfect just by itself as well. I have finished so much of this already. This is my second bottle. I love this so much. Even though I love using higher potency of niacinamide, on days when I just want to take it easy, this is the toner that I go for. Love this so much because it's fragrance free, so it's going to be perfect if you have sensitive skin. And because this is 3%, you can use it on compromised barrier, you can use it for sensitive skin, you can use it as a beginner as well. I absolutely love it. It is such a gentle toner. It also brightens your complexion with regular use. And this serum right here, the 10% niacinamide and rice water serum, is my absolute favorite. Rice water is so calming and so brightening for the skin. It hydrates the skin like no other. And this ingredient list is honestly one of the best in the Indian market. This is my 4th or 5th bottle. I don't even remember. A constant repurchase for me. This is perfect for my combination oily acne prone skin. The formulation is honestly so gentle. This is going to be even great for beginners. So if you've started using this toner and you feel that this is okay for your skin, you can start with this as well. So obviously don't layer them together because you don't need that much niacinamide in your skincare routine. You can maybe use this in your nighttime if you want. You can use this in your AM routine. Just Just don't layer the two because you don't need that much of niacinamide on your skin. But either ways, this is an amazing skincare range from Plum because it's got niacinamide, it's got rice water, a very unique combination to calm your skin while brightening and while improving your skin texture and skin tone. Niacinamide is such a beautiful ingredient. It is so versatile. You can use it in AM, you can use it in PM, you can use it in both AM and PM. So for example, if I'm going to use this 3% toner right here in the AM routine, I'm not going to use this as well because I don't want to layer so much niacinamide. It's really not needed. This by itself is fantastic. And then in my PM routine, I'm going to use this one right here. On certain days when I'm using another toner, I'll just use this in my AM and in my PM as well, and it layers beautifully with other skincare ingredients, other skincare products. This formulation is one of the most unique ones out there in the Indian market. I am a huge fan, you guys. I love this so much. It hasn't troubled my active acne. It hasn't troubled, the sensitive areas on my skin with all that spot correction. It hasn't compromised my barrier. It hasn't troubled my acne. I can literally go on and on about these two products. They are beautiful, perfect for all skin types, fragrance-free. The texture is amazing, sinks into the skin like a dream, and perfect if you want to do a brightening skincare routine as well. And that's all the information on niacinamide. I hope you found it useful and I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, then please hit the thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed watching it. I've already done a video on my favorite niacinamide serums. If you haven't checked it out, then do check it out. I definitely want to do an updated one with all the new niacinamide serums that I've been trying out. If you have any questions for me regarding niacinamide or just skincare in general, then leave it in the comments and I'll definitely help you out. Alright, you guys, I'm going to take your leave now. But before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my previous videos right here. I will catch you all in the next video. So then take care of yourselves. Bye.